Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we are going to take up another very interesting question from radical mathematics. Here we have to evaluate 6th root of 204 minus 35 times cube root of 99 plus 70 square root 2. So let's get started by considering this expression equal to e. Now I will call this cube root only equal to y. So let me write here y equal to cube root of 99 plus 70 square root 2. Now let's consider cubing both sides. So power 3, power 3. Now cube root and cube will be over. So I can write y cube will become 99 plus 70 square root 2. Let us split 99 as 27 plus 72. Now we can split 70 as 16 plus 54. So 16 root 2 plus 54 root 2. Or I can write y cube will be 27 plus 16 root 2 plus 54 root 2 plus 72. Let me write here 27 plus 16 root 2 plus 54 root 2 plus 72. This is equal to y cube. Can we write 27 as 3 whole cube? 16 root 2 we can write 2 root 2 whole cube. 2 cube is 8, root 2 cube is 2 root 2. So 8 times 2 root 2, 16 root 2 plus 54 root 2 we can write 3 times 3 square times 2 root 2. So 3 times 9, 27 times 2 root 2, 54 root 2 plus 3 times 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square is 8. 8 times 9, 72. This is nothing but one algebraic formula. If I will write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So in this place we can write a plus b whole cube. So RHS will become 3 plus 2 root 2 whole cube. 3 plus 2 square root 2 whole cube. Now consider cube root both sides. Cube root, cube root. So cube root will be cancelled out. We will get real value of y 3 plus 2 square root 2. Let us replace this cube root by 3 plus 2 root 2. So I can write my expression will become 6th root of 204 minus 35 times 3 plus 2 square root 2. Let us write here e equal to 6th root of 204 minus 35 times 3 plus 2 square root 2. I can write 6th root of 204 minus 35 times 3, 105 minus 70 square root 2. Or I can write 6th root of 204 minus 105. So it will become 99 minus 70 root 2. Now I can write this 6th root as a square root followed by cube root. 99 minus 70 square root 2. It is a power 1 over 3 whole power 1 over 2. So this will become a power 1 over 6 or 6th root of a. Now we have just calculated cube root of 99 plus 70 square root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. So I can write directly cube root of 99 minus 70 square root 2. This value will become 3 minus 2 root 2. So I can write over there 3 minus 2 root 2. So I can write expression E will become a square root of 3 minus 2 root 2. Now I can write 3 as 2 plus 1. Then we have minus 2 square root 2. Can we write 2 as root 2 whole square? 1 as 1 whole square? And here I will be writing 2 times root 2 times 1 under square root. Now if you will see the radicand, it is again one algebraic identity. I will write a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is a minus b whole square. So I can write our RHS will become the square root of root 2 minus 1 whole square. Now square root and square will be cancelled out. We will get our answer equal to root 2 minus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Goodbye.